What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there. And welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to talk about the tips to learn anything fast. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, have you ever experienced when you kind of see the other that can learn anything fast and you kind of get the slower pace? Don't worry guys, because you're not alone, and this is not actually the mistake, but maybe there is something to refresh, or there's not something to update to how, and also the method of the learning that you can put into your daily basis or the learning process. So if you need the tips, you can actually have the information maybe from the practitioners, or maybe the teachers, or maybe your professor, or even the AI over here. And here I asked for this Perplexity AI to help me to break down the key and also the tips to learn anything fast. Why Perplexity? Because this is one of the best AI that also inform you not only in general information, but also what's the base or the credible information to deliver the tips or this information, guys. So you can see over here there are a lot of key fast learning tricks. For example, sharpen the X, and also active recall, spaced repetition, teach what you learn, use mind maps, interleave learning topic, and also take strategic break, overlearn and get feedback, simplify and create analogies, and also prioritize sleep. So if you would like to organize it from the first thing, when you imagine it from the your journey of learning, you can imagine it from the when you learn something by the book, or when you get the information from another media, maybe that video education or another college session. So you can start to write that information, and you can take that note about the main key of that information or that knowledge, guys. And you can start to put your focus more if you would like to learn something. And as you can see, sharpen the X, which means that you can start to put your focus more, and also clearing or set aside about the distraction. Maybe when you would like to learn or read something on a book, so you can start to, let's say, give the break for your phone, maybe 30 minutes, to silence it from the maybe messenger, and also the notification you can set aside from it. And after that, you can use this focus not only from the level or the step of getting the information, but also put the focus when you would like to improve it by asking it to yourself or do the active recall, which means you can start to, let's pretend that you can ask the question to yourself about what things and what the topic that you get from this book or this information. You can put the some list of the question from the maybe the easiest question into the hardest question. And if you find it's kind of the mistake or the wrong answer, don't worry, because making mistake also part of the learning, and it can be the lifetime learning, guys. So you're not alone, and you can keep doing it. And also, this is one of the coolest trick that you can do, which means you can pretend to yourself to be a teacher or professor, and you can also pretend teach something in front of them, whether that there is no one that listen to you. Don't worry, guys, because by teaching something, you can also sharpen the concept that you would like to learn. For example, you don't have to stand up in the hall or in the classroom. You can actually create it from the video like this. And let's say you can teach yourself and also teach the another one, and you can record yourself about the material that you would like to deliver, and after that you can see it again and you can do the evaluation with which thing that actually is this need to be the correction. And the another thing that you can do is you can create the mind map. This actually can be applied when you would like to, or in the pace or journey of learning, or from the reading section, but you can also create it while you have after try to pretend yourself when you teaching something in front of the people, because that can be the improvement of the information, and you can also get the another knowledge. And the last but not least is, don't forget to take a proper break or the proper rest, because the health is the number one, because that also can the foundation to have the best performance if you would like to not only having or deliver something, but also when you would like to receive and also learn about something new. So that's all, guys. I hope this tip and tricks work for you, and also don't forget to try these tips. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.